Hi everybody, I'm Alan. Today I'll be showing you how to use a firing pin stop removal tool. You'll want to go ahead and pick up the firing pin stop removal tool in your slide. Today we're working with the Series 70 slide, and stick the protrusion into the back of the firing pin. It'll push down because there's a spring in there. And slide the firing pin out. I'm keeping my finger over this area here because otherwise I will shoot the firing pin and spring across the room, and as much as I love excitement in my life, I don't want to go chasing it down. But if you do that and you lose all your parts, give us a call and we have some replacements that we can sell you. You can call EGW at 215-538-1012 or visit us on the web at egwguns.com. And we have replacement firing pins and firing pin springs. And it was just that easy to remove the firing pin stop. While you're removing it, you might as well hop on our website or give us a call and get an EGW flat bottom firing pin stop. Those guys are really neat and I think you'll enjoy it in your gun. And so to reinstall everything, pop your spring back in there, pop the firing pin in, push that down a little bit, start the firing pin stop. I like to take the back of the removal tool and use that to push the firing pin down in to hold it in place while I'm getting the firing pin stop slot back in there. So start that. That kind of holds it in place. Push the firing pin in, and then the firing pin stop slinks right back into place and you're good to go again. So I hope you enjoyed our video. Please like us, subscribe, and comment below.